At Original Mods Design, we manufacture custom machine products. We're also a full-service machine shop and manufacturing facility.
Original Mods Design started off with quadding. I'm a journeyman machinist. I've been in the trade for 20 plus years. I started designing parts for my own bike, and eventually friends and people at other rallies would see our product and ask where we got them, and I would say I just built it myself. And eventually it led to buying a CNC machine and started to manufacture our own parts.
He started in the garage, and now we've moved into a 3,400 square foot shop. Working with Community Future Sunrise has really helped us. They're just such a wealth of information for small business in Saskatchewan. We've already been in business for 5 years, and there was lots of things that I was learning through them in terms of government programs or just business information in general.
Currently we make a lot of our parts for Can-Am ATVs. Our parts are all billet aluminum, aircraft grade. Our parts give a good function on a more durable product than factory.
The most popular part that we produce is ATV handlebar riser.
We manufacture shifter handles, gas caps. So we also build heavy-duty tie rods, steering stem support for the steering shaft, and we fair leads for the winches. We also offer factory colors that will match their bike. That way they can customize their bike so that they aren't riding the same bike as everybody else. And we also do custom orders for people. We have everything from saw cutting to CNC machining, powder coating.
When you are out enjoying your adventure, you don't have to worry about our products breaking or giving you any trouble whatsoever. We've been there, so we know what problems arise when people are on their ATVs, and we really stand by our products.